Today we're going to look at the word science. What is science? Well, science comes from the word knowing. It deals with observable and or repeatable processes. It usually refers to experiments and that type of thing. Well, does this apply to evolution? Well, the problem with the theory of evolution is that the fossils are the only evidence that we can look at, and there's no real repeatable procedure that we can use for those. So is there any way we can use observable and repeatable processes for the theory of evolution? Well, we can compare evolution and creation. That is, with evolution you assume that things happen very slowly, that they are improving, and that the fossils are in their proper order, and that the geological column is in order. But again, observation is the key. So if we actually compare the theory to observable scientific facts, what do we find? Let's go back to those again. Well, did it happen slowly? Well, we've already seen in past videos that it could not have happened slowly, especially the formation of the fossils. Do things improve on their own? And of course, the second law of thermodynamics is completely contrary to that idea, and so evolution could not even started. Are the fossils in their proper order that they should be? No, they're not even close. And is the geological column in order? And the answer to that is also no, and that the geological column is basically fiction. So observation is the key. And so when it comes to science, we have to take each assumption of the theory and see if it is speculation or actual observation. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.